Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this device cannot start with error code 10. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it guys. In services you just need to search for Windows audio service, double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to start it guys. If it is already running, then you just need to stop it and start it again. After doing this, close off here. If this doesn't resolve a problem, then you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine, and now expand the system and expand the current control set and expand control. Now you just need to click on the class, and now you just need to select the edit on the top and select find next. And now you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. You just need to copy it and paste in find what and select find next. On right side you just need to delete two values guys. One is upper filters, right click on it and delete it, select yes. Another one is lower logo version, right click on it and select delete it. And after deleting both of it, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.